How to fix Shein Puppy Keep. Sorry, abnormal activity has been detected by the systems. So I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, you want to go into your settings, and here we'll just search for storage. So search for storage, and you want to click on iPhone storage. From the list of applications here, we will sort them by name, just so we find Shein. And here I'm going to click on show all and just find the Shein application. So once I find Shein here, you just want to click on Shein, and you will first offload the application and then you will reinstall it. This is not gonna log you out of your account or anything like that. It's just going to verify the integrity of the files. So if you've done this and you still get this error, then fear not. Some people have reported that they get this unusual activity message, but they still receive their rewards from Puppy Keep. So you just want to keep on playing, and you should hopefully still receive your rewards. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.